Hello students, welcome back to the class. During the last class we have discussed about the national party. In that national party we have discussed in the last class about Bahujan Samaj Party. Okay, in this class we are going forward. In this class we will discuss about regional parties. So what are the regional parties in India? So the first point we will discuss about Akali Dal Party. So in regional party we will discuss mainly about Akali Dal party, we will discuss about regional party. Now first we will discuss what are the main reasons for the emergence of regional party. Regional parties means any party which are giving importance to the regional level. The parties which have secured 6% of total votes in the legislative assembly, that party will be called as regional party. Okay, according to the criteria, 6% of total votes in the election in the legislative assembly if they secure, then that party will be called as regional party. Okay, this is one point. Now if you take an example, in Indian political system is quite different. It is quite unique because of emergence of regional party. Chileans, before the period of time, they used to have only the national party. Okay, they used to have only the national party at central level as well as state level, but slowly as soon as the time changes, 1967, this is a period, first time the regional parties came to the power in the state level. First time they defeated the Congress party. So there are 9 regional parties were formed in the 9 states in 1967. This is a period. So our Indian political parties were quite different because of the emergence of regional parties. So this is good only. Why? Because they should have different parties. India is leaning towards multi-party system, is a symbol of democracy. Okay, if there is only one party which comes to the power, or if there is only national party which comes to the power, then this is not a feature of democracy. The other important features of democracy, they should have more parties, multi-party system. And the regional parties are mainly operates in a limited areas only. In the normal areas, in the small areas only, the regional parties are being operated. Regional parties are never operates over a large area. So most of the regional parties are operated for a small area, or regional parties are operated in a limited areas only, because these parties are regional parties. If these parties will become powerful in the regional parties, then they will try to expand to the states, and if they can expand more than 4 states, then that become the national party. Indian political systems is represent the interest of different ethnic groups, linguistic and cultural groups. Ethnic means where large groups of people are following some common way of life, common customs, common traditions. Linguistic means different type of languages, and we have different type of cultural groups. So that is one point. So if you take an example, reorganization, the states were reorganized. Okay, after the reorganization of state, the regional parties were also formed. We already know that children, during the period when the Britishers are ruling, our states were mainly consists of princely states and British presidency. But after when the Britishers left India, then what happened? Here the Reorganization Act was formed. As per this Organization Act, states were created based upon languages. The first state which were created based upon language, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan were the first states they have created based upon language. And slowly different states were created based upon language. 14 states and 6 union territories were created. So 14 states, when it was created according to State Reorganizing Act, these 14 states were created according to linguistic basis, based upon the language. For example, for Tamil Nadu, Tamil, Kannada, Karnataka, Marathi, Maharashtra. Like that, based upon language, states were created. States were created based upon linguistic basis. That is also because of Reorganizing Act. After the reorganization of states in 1956, the linguistic states led the regional parties. So after when the states were created based upon language, then slowly the regional parties, in the initial stages not, but slowly after completing 10 years, the regional parties making the influence in the regional level, and they came to power. So regional parties plays a very important role. They played a great influence and they came to power. Okay. So most of the regional parties have causes economic development. The main thing, regional parties have came to power due to this all various reasons. First one is economic development is the important thing. Economic development at regional level, and the main causes is regional imbalance also. Okay, regional imbalance is a main cause. Okay, due to the regional imbalance also, regional parties will get power. So they have taken the issue of national party. Okay, in that issue they criticize the national party that due to the national party there is a regional imbalance, and due to which the regional parties are came to power. Failures of national party. If you see, the national parties are failed. Most of the national party failed to achieve the target, and when the national party failed to achieve the target, the powers will be given to regional party. And there was a growing caste and regional identities. This is also the main reason. Okay, once upon regional parties are good, but once upon a time we have given importance to the national parties. But now we are giving it, our level is decreasing. We are restricted with the regional level. So because of casteism and because of regional identities also is the main responsible for the emergence of regional party. So because of casteism and regional identities are mainly responsible for the emergence of regional party. So these are the main causes for the emergence of regional party. First one, economic development is the main causes for the emergence of regional party. Regional imbalance. Okay, when there is no proper balance. Regional imbalance means whenever one region is highly developed, for example, this is a region highly developed, other regions are not developed. So this is called as regional imbalance. Regional balance means this is a regional balance where development should be same, development should be common. But if one area is developing, other areas are not developing, then what happens? Fluctuations will come in the growth of economy. So due to this regional balance also, sometimes the powers will be given to the regional party, and sometimes the national parties fail to perform the activities, then also the regional parties will be the hope, and responsibilities will be given to the regional parties through election. And due to the growing sentiment of casteism and regional identities, people are giving more importance to the regional party. These are the main reasons. Now on the other hand, if you see that Akali Dal, this is a regional party. Akali Dal. Now we are discussing about the Akali Dal. About Akali Dal, we will discuss about Akali Dal. Akali Dal is also known as Shiromani Akali Dal. Actually, the full name of Akali Dal is Shiromani Akali Dal, which was mainly formed in 1920 in Punjab. This is the main party of Punjab. Which one? Akali Dal is the main party of Punjab which was formed. Akali Dal main demanded is separate states they wanted for Sikh peoples. Okay, for Punjab separate state should be given, and that separate state should be given to the Sikh peoples. And Akali Dal have demanded that independent nations will be created for the Sikh, and that nations will be treated as Khalistan. So once upon a time before history, if you see that once upon a time Punjab consists of separate nation which is called as Khalistan. But later the Britishers, when they came to India, they defeated the ruler of Punjab and they occupied that Punjab and they merged into India. Okay, since from ancient time onwards Punjab is the part of India only. But Akali Dal have started demanding that they wanted a separate state for Sikh. Okay, they do not wanted to be with India, they wanted to be out of the country, and they started demanding the separate nation which is called as Khalistan. And they demanded, came to power, they have made 2 resolutions. They passed that resolutions in the states only. One is called Batla resolution and one is called as Anandapur Sahib resolution. These Batla resolutions and Anandapur Sahib resolutions are mainly passed in Punjab only. So mainly if you see the Anandapur resolution Sahib, this was adopted in the light of Anandapur. This Anandapur resolutions was adopted in Anandapur Sahib resolutions. Okay, and these sessions were conducted, which is considered as 18th All India Akali Dal Conference. So this is the 18th All Indian Akali Dal Conference, Anandapur Sahib resolutions, and this was held on Ludhiana on 28 to 29 October. So this resolution, the meeting which was conducted, this is the 18th resolution of Akali Dal Conference. This is the 18th meeting of Akali Dal Conference, and the resolution of Anandapur resolutions were held on 28 to 29 October. So during this period, they have made a conference at Ludhiana. 18th Akali Dal conference were conducted in Ludhiana, and this was conducted on 28 to 29, which is called as Anandpur resolution. So in this resolution also they wanted, what they have mentioned in that resolution is that more power should be given to the state government. State government should be given more power. Why? Because in most of the fields central government will have more power. So state government also should be given more powers. So this is the point. So children, we have discussed about Indian political systems. So we are discussing mainly about the regional party. If any party which have secured 6% of total votes in the legislative assembly, that party will be called as regional party. We have discussed that Indian political system is quite unique. Okay, emergence of regional party. Indian political system was quite different because of emergence of regional party. When India was created, first of all, we have many parties, but regional parties are not in a large amount. Today, if you see, most of the regional parties are getting emerging. Regional parties are the parties which are operating in the limited areas. At regional level, they will be operated. And regional parties are mainly protect the interest of different ethnic groups, different linguistic groups who are speaking a different language and different cultural groups. Now here if you see that because of the reorganizing, before the countries were created based upon the languages. Most of the states in India were created based upon language. So first a state reorganizing commission was formed, act was created. So state reorganizing act was formed in 1956. First state reorganizing commission was formed in 1953, then state reorganizing act was created, and then the India 14 states and 6 union territories were created based upon languages. The first states which were created based upon languages, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh were the first states which were created based upon language. So many states were created based upon languages, and after when the states were created based upon language, regional parties started emerging. What are the other reasons where the regional parties were emerged? First of all, economic development is the reason. They wanted economic development in the regional level. Second thing is regional imbalance is region. Some regions are highly well developed and other regions are lack due to basic facilities. This is also the reason that regional parties were emerged. Failures of national party. In some field, in some arena, national parties were failed to perform the activities. And because of growing caste and regional identities are mainly responsible for development of regional level. Next we will go forward Akali Dal. Akali Dal is also known as Shiromani Akali Dal, which was mainly formed in 1920. So Akali Dal is mainly a party which is also known as Shiromani Akali Dal, which was mainly formed in 1920. So Akali Dal have demanded a separate state for Sikh. Akali Dal have demanded independent nation should be created and that should be treated as Khalistan. And Akali Dal have demanded some resolutions they have passed, and in that resolutions what they have demanded that most powers should be given to the state government then central government. So in Akali Dal have made a resolutions which was Batla resolutions and Anandapur resolutions. Anandapur resolutions are the resolutions which was mainly held. This meeting was conducted on the 18th All Indian Akali Dal conference. And this meeting was conducted in Ludhiana on 28 to 29 October, in which they have made a resolution that state government should be given more power to central government. So this is about the regional parties, and we have discussed about Shiromani Akali Dal. In the next class we will come with a new topic and we will discuss the new part students. Thank you very much. We will meet you in the next class.